What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to set up forwarding or to forward your GoDaddy domain name to another website, so that when someone enters your domain name, your GoDaddy domain name, they'll be redirected to another website. To do so, it's pretty easy. Just here on my GoDaddy account, I'm signed in. Just go to your products page, and here next to the domain that I want to forward, click on DNS, and here in the DNS you should see forwarding. And here you can have the option to forward to another domain. Here, add forwarding. So my domain name should forward to a destination URL here. I can set it to be permanent or temporary or forward with masking if I want to. Now I also have two options to add forward to subdomains here. So a subdomain should be something.mydomainname.com. And here I can turn a long URL into a short, so go short here if my distant or destination URL is too long.